Good morning, everyone. I, Shifali, from Dix Bloomingdale's. As we were discussing adverbs, today we will discuss adverb of frequency. Adverb of frequency means how many times कि कितनी बार वो चीज़ हुई है, how often कितनी बार हम उस चीज़ को करते हैं. Let's read the examples. I am never late for school कि मैं स्कूल के लिए कभी भी लेट नहीं होता. We sometimes watch cartoons कि कभी कभी हम कार्टून्स देख लेते हैं. We seldom goes there means very rare. Seldom means very rare. In these sentences, never, sometimes and seldom answer the question how often. So these words are basically adverbs of frequency. Some other examples of frequency are always means हमेशा, often, अक्सर, usually is same like often, sometimes कभी कभी, rarely बहुत कम and last one is never means कभी भी नहीं. Let's see our exercise number F. Read the following sentences. Underline the adverb of frequency means firstly we have to underline the words which are telling us adverb of frequency. Then rewrite the sentence with antonymous means उनके opposites हमें लिखने हैं. One example is given to us. I always try to be punctual. Here adverb of frequency is always. So it's being underlined. And what is the opposite of always? Never. So I never try to be punctual. Second is barking dogs seldom bite. We are well aware about this idiom. Barking dogs seldom bite. Here adverb of frequency is seldom. And what's the opposite of seldom? Often. So the sentence will be barking dogs often bite. He often goes for an outing कि अक्सर जाते हैं. Here adverb of frequency is often. Opposite of often will be rarely. He rarely goes for outing. I never use watercolors. Here adverb of frequency is never. So what is the opposite of never? Always. I always use watercolors. We should wash our hair daily. Here adverb of frequency is daily कि हमें हमेशा ही अपने हेयर वॉश करने चाहिए. So opposite will be we should wash our hair sometimes. For daily के लिए we can also use rarely. So sometimes as well as rarely. We rarely eat at this restaurant. Adverb of frequency is rarely. So its opposite will be usually. Yeah, often. We usually eat at this restaurant or we often eat at this restaurant. Next we are being done some words, some adjectives are being done given and we have to make adverbs from that adjectives. Quick, quickly, lazy, lazily, glad, gladly, warm, warmly. Let's see the words noun which we can change in adverb. Day, daily, month, monthly, रोज़ाना, महीने में एक बार, वीक, वीकली, हफ्ते में एक बार, ईयर, ईयरली मतलब एक साल बाद. Let's see our exercise number G in which we are given adverb form. We have to make the adverb form from the given adjectives and nouns. Hindustan Times is a dash newspaper. Day. To convert day into adverb that will be daily. He will come direct to our home. Direct क्या क्या बन जाएगा? Directly. She was angry का angrily muttering something to herself. What does muttering means? Talking to herself. We were dash impressed. High का तो highly impressed by his presence of mind. Has anyone treated you badly? It is dash 2 o'clock. Near का क्या आ जाएगा? Nearly. Next is, we are given the adverbs. We have to keep them in the correct position. Let's see. He has slept 3 hours only. So what will be the sentence? He has slept 3 hours only. I know the answer already. So what will be the sentence? I already know the answer. Barking dog दोबारा से आ गया. Seldom bite. The super fast train has left first. The first super fast train has left. He is in time for meals. He is always in time for meals. He can speak French fluently. He can speak French fluently. Hope it is clear to you. Tomorrow we will meet with the next topic. Till then, take care. Have a nice day.